To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to optimize bitrate for Instagram Reels. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to optimize bitrate for Instagram Reels, all you gotta do is simply go to Instagram. So once you go and tap open your Instagram, you need to simply go and simply tap on the reel section. So as you can see, you cannot get anything that helps you change the bitrate of it. So all you gotta do is simply go to any of the editing app, and once you're in the editing app, you need to codec it into H.26 and have a resolution of 1080 into 1920, that is 9:16 aspect ratio. Now you can have a frame rate of 30 fps and bitrate encoding to be VBR, that is 2 pass. So once you have done this, you can target your bitrate to be 8 mbps and maximum bitrate might be 12 mbps. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.